Today we'll be talking about the verb to miss, as in I miss you or she misses me. Even if many of you might be single, I promise this video will still be useful, so please continue watching. Anyway, in Arabic, the verb wahash is often used to express the feeling of missing someone, but unlike in English, where the person who misses is the subject, in Arabic, the person who is missed becomes the subject of the sentence. Think of it as causing someone to miss someone rather than to miss. So, for example, to say I miss him, you'd say هو وحشني. هو وحشني. So هو means he, which is the subject in the sentence in this sentence, and wahash is the verb to miss or to cause someone to miss, and the ni part at the end is me. So he caused me to miss. He caused me to miss him. وحشني, I miss him. And we use the past tense because in Arabic it's seen as a completed action because the feeling of sadness and loneliness has already occurred. So we consider that a completed action. So we use wahash in the past tense, even though in English you would say I miss him. And we use the same phrase in the past tense. So to say I missed him, you'd also say هو وحشني. And to say I miss you when talking to a man, you'd say أنت وحشتني. أنت وحشتني. This translates to you caused me to miss you. And to say it to a woman, you'd say أنت وحشتيني. أنت وحشتيني. أنت, you, feminine. وحشتيني, caused me to miss. وحشتيني. أنت وحشتيني. And in the future tense, to say I will miss you, you'd use the future marker ha plus the present tense. So you'd say أنت حتوحشني. I will miss you when talking to a guy. أنت حتوحشني. And when talking to a woman, you can say أنت حتوحشيني. أنت حتوحشيني. Even if you don't have anyone to say this to, you can still use it for your pets or places you have visited. So, for example, وحشتني بستي means I miss my cat, and وحشتني إيطاليا means I miss Italy. وحشتني إيطاليا. And if this is just too complicated, just remember this. I miss him or I miss it when talking about a masculine noun. وحشني. وحشني. I miss her or I miss it when talking about a feminine noun. وحشتني. وحشتني. I miss you to a guy. وحشتني. وحشتني. And I miss you to a girl. وحشتيني. وحشتيني. Is there someone or something that you miss? Let me know in the comments. مع السلامة.